Great job, Sonata. You found our third clue, and it's on this down light switch. Hey, why don't you draw this clue? Sure. Let's make a light switch that's pointing down, and then a big rectangle behind it. There, a down light switch. Great drawing, Sonata. Thanks. And hey, that was our third clue. Oh yeah, we have all three clues to figure out what is Navy gonna opposite is Navy thinking about. Where do we go?
Thinking chair.
Thinking chair. Let's go. Come on, Sonata. Okay, now that we're in our thinking chair, let's think. So, what opposite is Navy thinking about with an up light switch, a lamp, and a down light switch? So what opposite is Navy thinking about with an up light switch, a lamp, and a down light switch? Hmm. Well, maybe Navy can turn on the light switch on the lamp, right? Yeah. And maybe Navy can turn off the light switch with a by shutting it down. But what Navy will be doing? On and off. Yeah, because Navy can turn on the light switch and then he can turn it off the light. That's a good opposite. And hey, we just figured out Navy's clues. We just figured out Navy's clues. We just figured out Navy's clues. We just figured out Navy's clues because we're really smart. Wait, isn't there a game that we could play since we have a light switch? What is that game called? Lights on, lights off. Right. Come on, Navy. Let's go play lights on, lights off for your opposite day. Come on.